Hello, here is a quick technical analysis from Itai at forexlive.com. And we had a lot of noise about Tesla stock and we still do, after its earnings. After hours, it's going down just over 6% to about 208. And Elon Musk is tweeting that I will not let you down no matter what it takes, and claiming that Tesla can be worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco together, so more than $4.4 trillion dollars. That may be true, but how long would that take? Who knows? And even if it does, Apple and Saudi Aramco will also be worth more in the future as well. But in any case, what I'm going to do here is take a wider view on a weekly and put the volume profile on this range from approximately 180 to the all-time high of 14 and a half. And time-wise, it's ranging from the end of 2020 until today. And what I'd like to show here is we've got here the value area high. Here we've got the red line of the POC, and here the value area low. Recently, in August 22, we had these two double tops. This is an attempt and a failure to sustain above the value area high. This is a sign of weakness, and we had about a 34% decline. Um, Trying to protect the POC did not go through. We have here a little bit of a piercing of that. That's to trap bulls to believe that the POC will be reclaimed, which is it has not. And usually in this sort of price action, the next technical place to test is the value area low at approximately 190, 191, and we might pierce them just like we did here. So the bottom of the range of 180 is also very much open once you consider that piercing down. For those that are considering to buy Tesla, I would wait. It is probably going to play at least with the number 200 number, round number. It's quite close to it at about 208 and a half after hours, as mentioned. And I personally would only consider accumulating gradually at around 191 due to the reason mentioned. Now, um, even if I would accumulate, I would be very careful in looking at both price action and fundamental because there is a possibility also that after this huge surge, excuse me, we will okay after this huge surge, then there is also a possibility that we have a head and shoulders. This is a left shoulder, head, and right. Uh, I know it sounds a bit crazy, and Tesla may be a good company, but technically, we may be doing a measured move going all the way down here. The measured move would be if at least the POC is the neckline, which is the minimum. That's why I have half of the measured move over here at about 225. Then, I mean, it's not completely far-fetched technically that we would go to about 125. Okay, so in summary, I would not, I would wait for around 191 before I even think of accumulating. And we can even say at least the 200 round number. Personally, for me, it would be minimum 191. And be careful of the possible head and shoulders at 191. Uh, During about a month, it should finish accumulating and go up. If the others believe that Tesla is such a great price at this value area low, there will be some up to 4 or 5 months of accumulation. Okay, maximum just like happened here or here. Okay, let's say 5 to 7 bars, so up to max 2 months, and then going up again. If it doesn't happen, it might be going down. So be careful not to buy too much when you accumulate. Usually, a stock that reports negatively, there will be more down before there's another restart of the underlying assumptions for its valuation. Some new information or a new dream needs to come through. With Tesla, it may indeed be possible because it's got a lot of innovation as well, and it's still got amazing products. Uh, it might be coming from the Cybertruck, or who knows, from a personal home robot. It's definitely possible that Tesla will create other all-time highs, but currently it's going against the trend to buy too quickly after a stock negatively reacted after earnings. Thank you. Trade at your own risk.